Here's the bracket that is holding the transmission cooler line. With the vibration of the engine, I'm sure that probably clipped the line in that.
Transmission cooler line. Totally leaking. Sucks to be you, nerd.
So we're underneath the car breaking these bolts off, and the way I did it is I got it's a 5mm. Used a wrench like this just to kind of get it, yeah, just like that. That's one of them, and the other one's right there, which I also got it the same way. And of course the other one was over there, the one that was leaking. Then we got to get that off. Transmission cooler line, we gotta, I actually got 3/4 and a 17mm, so I guess it's a 19 and a 17. And the way you do it is you just push them together like that. So on the back part of the transmission cooler line, I used a 19mm. Drain into a drain pan, and with a couple wiggles, jiggles, and turns, push it out to the back of the car. There it is. There's the hole. So I guess because this thing broke and got that edge right there, sharp edge, just cut right into it. So I gotta admit, it's great to have a parts car. As you see, we got the car jacked up, ready to go. I used some power solvent, clean out the Bonjo bolt, clean off that washer, clean off the inside of that Bonjo. And as we see on our new old one, it's already starting to indent there a little bit. You can see there's some. So what it is, I put electrical tape around it, all the places where the brackets are. It looks like it had some kind of bushing in there, and obviously oil has deteriorated and worn out. So hopefully that'll do something to this 35-year-old car with 600,000 miles. So underneath the car, we fed it through from the back here, and all the way up to the front. Okay, so it has to go, hugs right up against it. It has to go around these two lines. I guess that's the oil. Check the oil lines. Yes, hugs right up against that. So yeah, I was raising it as high as it could go on the other end, and that's kind of how it's just a bunch of wiggles, jiggles, turns, so you can get it. Now we're gonna have to clean these again. Next thing we did was put everything on loosely. Put that 19mm on loosely. Another bracket on there loosely, maybe 5 to 10 times. The other one is, well, there's another one here. And this one we'll do at the end. Let's see. So we tightened them all like 5 to 10 turns loosely. Now we're going to tighten them all up. Okay, finish up by tightening this up. Make sure everything is tight. Add tranny fluid. You're ready to go. Check out my videos below on all the things I fixed on this car.